Ma'am, sir, naghahanap ka ba ng retirement investment o perfect na bahay para sa future mo? Well, this could be the property you're looking for. Anyway, ma'am, sir, my name is Sherilyn Gigi, your trusted Avida investment specialist. As you can see, ma'am, sir, so nagpapag po sa area na to at may back po, ito na po yung Tagaytay. Ma'am, sir, I'm so excited to show you the newest project in Nuvali, which is Crisela Estates Nuvali. If you are from Nuvali Boulevard, turn right to Diversity Ave. On your left side is the Mariam College, and straight ahead is where this project located. Ma'am, sir, andito po tayo ngayon sa exact location ng Crisela Estates Nuvali. So kung mapapansin niyo po sa likod, so tanaw po ang Laguna Lake and some parts po ng Makati. So this project, ma'am, sir, a total of 13.5 hectares. So we offer po house and lot only. For this project, ma'am, sir, low density unit for only 401 unit, 59 for the house and lot, and 342 for the lot only. For the entire project of Avida, so this is the highest level from 199 meters to 219 meters above sea level. Ganun po siya kataas. In this part po, ma'am, sir, so dito po yung main entrance ng Crisela Estates Nuvali. So ang kagandahan po dito, ma'am, sir, since this is pre-selling, we can offer po a maximum payment term, which is we still have enough time para makaipon po tayo para sa loanable amount natin. So this project, ma'am, sir, the completion is second quarter of 2028. So now, ma'am, sir, if you're interested po sa pre-selling na project neto, message nyo lang po ako dito. Sasagutin ko po kayo 24/7. Maraming salamat po.